cathedral, but the others were buried here. But when the city grew a bit bigger, they moved out the graves and they built those houses. And those houses will prove to you that you think Polish, even if you are not Polish. Take a look. We have those houses built with different sizes of the facades. You may get a very decent facade like this one. I would not risk the color, naming the color, because I'm a guy, I recognize 5 and black and white. That's all. So let's say greenish house right here. It is very decent, and the neighboring one is as well. And when you look at there, you will see a house that is only 1 meter and 20, 1 meter and 30 wide. Now, taxes were the reason for this. The wider your house got at the front, the more tax you paid, like in Holland, like in Amsterdam, right? But now my question is, how do you think, who owned these two houses right over there, once you know the rule? Who? The wealthy, yes, but it's not so very precise, right? So it's a good answer, but we need something more precise right here. And think Polish, which means think not standard. Sorry, I have to reject it right now. Okay. Any other idea? The church, that's right. Now you won the game. The first ever winner on that tour. The only institution in that country that always has a lot of money and never bothers about paying any taxes. That's the Roman Catholic Church, and they held on to this. If you look back, you will see the statue of Virgin Mary. It's all that was left of the cathedral above the ground, and you can see the traces of bullets on the postament, on the pedestal, right over there. It is calcified all over the surface. And this bell has never rang because during one of the wars we had here, the church that it was to be hung in was actually destroyed. So it was standing here, and now it makes your wishes come true. You have to do something like this. Walk around the bell once if it's a small wish, 3 times if it's a big wish, and you will make up your minds on what is the smallest wish, what is the bigger wish. The only thing I want to tell you is that wishes about the weather here always count as small wishes, especially in the springtime and in the autumn, when the Polish weather resembles my wife, changing its mind 10 times a day. So it's actually like you needn't waste your big wish.